Hi, today is day 6 and tip number 6 on getting your paperwork organized. I'm Marsha Ramsland, your organizing pro, and our question today comes from Sherry Hooks in New Jersey. She said, I feel overwhelmed. Oh, Sherry, I'm so sorry. There are many times that people feel overwhelmed. You are not alone. Everybody feels overwhelmed with paperwork at some time or other. But I'm here to give you some tips on what to do when you feel overwhelmed. Okay? Clear the center of the desk or the table that you work of your paperwork on one side, usually the right side. Stack the paper neatly that you have to go through, and then get a recycle bin on the left, and then turn that paper upside down, that whole pile upside down, because the oldest ones are on the top now. And you pick up the first one, you go, oh, that's so old, I'm going to let it go. Oh, that's so old. And you just keep going through it until you come to the important ones. Then the second thing you do is put a kitchen timer at your desk and say, I'm going to give it 10 minutes. I can live through this for 10 minutes. And then you say, oh, that wasn't so bad. I could do 10 more minutes. And so you do it in 10-minute increments. And then when you feel the stress rising, you go, oh, that's enough for today. And give yourself a pat on the back and say, I'll be back tomorrow. Now, the third way you can work on it is to say, I'm either going to do a little bit each day or I'm going to do it in a chunk. So if you work Monday through Friday, or you have your kids, you're homeschooling or virtual learning right now, you may feel like I can't do it then. But on Saturday morning, if I do it first thing for half an hour, I can be done for the weekend and for the week. So you can either chip away at it or you can chunk it, but I would say chip away at it and then finish one day at the end of the week, Friday or Saturday, and chunk it and get it done for the week. So no more overwhelm. Just start with where you are with the current papers and let it go. And if you want a big win, go back into the old papers, and that will really help you get through it. No more overwhelm. You can do it. Sherry and everyone out there that's overwhelmed, just start 10 minutes and you can do it.